Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a talking video in PixVerse. So yeah, that's actually is possible on the AI platform, especially the PixVerse platform. So to get through the platform you need to open up your browser, and after that I want to go to the search bar and type app.pixverse.ai. So you will go through this window. All right, so yeah, the home page right here. So what I want to do is to go into create from here, and right here as you can see you need to choose either you want the ratio on 69 or 43. Yeah, you will have multiple options right here. So after you are finishing, or after you're finished, you need to upload, sorry, you need to upload your video from here to that you want to move, or that you want to 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 post, or that you want it to be generated on this platform PixVerse. So alright, so how can we make that character on our picture, that or our video that we will upload right here talking? How we can make it talking? So I want to go to this auto speech, and right here you will type what you want your character to say. So it says please enter the character's lines like hello everyone, I love you. Yeah, and once you're finished you will just go into create, and it will be very good. Yeah, because imagine that character is just a picture, and yeah, it's moved right now and it's even talk. Anyways, that's it. It's so simple. You just need to use this feature, auto speech, and you are finished. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.